going to show you how all of this stuff works later. Distilled water. Add 1 drop of concentrate. 1 drop. Alright guys, excuse the impromptu video, but this is a very exciting box that I have been waiting for. Now, Instagram got me again, because if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I'm on my fasting journey, and a theme that keeps popping up over and over and over again is hormone disruptors that can cause you to hold belly fat and just to hold weight on your body just in general, because when you constantly come in contact with hormone disruptors or chemicals in your products that you're using that mimic the estrogen hormone, your body doesn't know what to do with them, and so it stores them as fat. I've also just been really diving deep into plastic and how plastic is not actually recycled. It just goes into our ocean, and we need to make that stop. So I love Maya Angelou. When you know better, you do better. So we're doing a little bit better. But I need to open this really fast because we ran out of dishwasher pods yesterday and I need to run my dishwasher. And I have some dishwasher pods in here. So let's open this box really fast. I'm going to show you guys what I got, and then we'll dive deeper into what's going on. I'm going to show you how the products work and all that jazz. So let's do an unboxing. Is that lighting better? Sorry, I'm wearing a hat. I just got back from walking the dogs. Okay, so I found this brand, Branch Basics. They're supposed to be like no plastic. Well, they have plastic bottles, but I chose to upgrade and do the glass bottles because again, I'm trying to reduce plastic and I just think that glass looks nicer and will last longer. So these guys are the guys that I'm looking for. These are the dishwasher tablets. They cut grease, they're fragrance free, they rinse clear, there's no sulfates, phosphates, no chlorine, bleach, no dyes or fragrances. They are non-toxic and biodegradable, kind to life, not harmful for people or pets when used as directed. It's just really clean ingredients. There's no plastic. I'm trying to reduce all plastic, okay? With washing clothes, with doing the dishes, just all of the things. Okay, so this is the coolest part about this whole thing. Like this one bottle right here, this is the powerful multi-purpose cleaner, and this is a concentrate. Now this says that it will make 3 all-purpose bottles, 3 bathroom bottles, 3 streak-free bottles, 3 foaming bottles, and 1 laundry bottle. And 1 laundry bottle is supposed to do 64 loads of laundry. Okay? That's amazing. So this one bottle is gonna do all of that. So we got this guy. Okay, I think I might spray these gold because I'm not really like a silver kind of a girl, but I like the white. And they're glass bottles. So this is the hand soap bottle, the bathroom cleaning bottle. This says this will clean counters and all of the things, okay? The all-purpose bottle. Oh, and then this is the streak-free. So yeah, glass, and then this is laundry. I'm pretty positive that this is the laundry guy. Pick a bottle, fill to the water line on the label, pour concentrate to the soap line on the label. So water first, and then soap, distilled water. Add 1 drop of concentrate. 1 drop. So this is our beautiful stuff. I'm gonna take some pictures and I'm going to show you how all of this stuff works later. I gotta go pick up Liv. I'm gonna run the dishwasher. I will let you know how it goes. Oh, and the oxygen boost. This says that it whitens, brightens, removes stains and odors. Are you the laundry detergent then? Laundry booster can help clean tile and grout, carpet. So we're gonna wash some laundry. We're gonna scrub my oven. So stay tuned and let's get to cleaning. If this is content that you guys like to see, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's jump right into this video. you guys, so I'm testing out the all-purpose cleaner here. Now, if you guys can see in my kitchen sink, because of these mats, doesn't matter how many times I wipe out my sink, this happens at the end of every day. And because of the material of my sink, it's just hard to clean. And so I'm really putting this to the test. Unfortunately, I had to work really hard with just the all-purpose cleaner. And then I did end up going in with the Oxy Boost to try to get the stains off. They did come off, but I really had to work really hard. And as you can see, I ended up switching to a sponge with a scrubber on it to really get those stains off. So for me, this doesn't cut the grime as well as I thought it would. All right, you guys, what's up? It's October 4th, and I've been using the Branch Basics cleaning supplies and the laundry detergent, the dishwasher pods, all of that for about a month now, and I've got my thoughts. First things first, the dishwasher pods are terrible. They never really worked. I think one of them actually dissolved and kind of cleaned my dishes. The other ones would just end up at the bottom of my dishwasher and never dissolved. And I would run it over and over and over again, and that one thing would just sit there. And it was ridiculous. At one point I was like, okay, well maybe I'll put another one in and I'll run it and, you know, maybe one of them will work. No, they were both in there. I took a little montage video of that for you guys. It just, they don't work. I'm trying to find something else. If you guys have recommendations for a clean brand that doesn't use plastic for the dishwasher that actually works, please, I need your help. Recommendations, please, please, please. I do enjoy the product for the windows. Great. I enjoy the counter cleaner. It does not smell good at all, but it does work. The one for the bathroom cleaner, I feel like I have to use more of it than other things. So for instance, I have been a longtime user of the Myers cleaner, and I really enjoy that one. Not only does it smell delicious, I don't know if that one's like bad for you, but it's a more like clean brand. And I like how that cleans. That is powerful. It cuts grease. Like I use that on my stove, the Myers. I'm talking about Myers here. I use it on my stove. I use it in the bathrooms. I use it on the floors. Like I like that cleaner. And so that's kind of what I was comparing this to. And so in the bathrooms, I feel like it didn't cut grime very well. It didn't do super great on my showers. It didn't do super great. Like if you're just wiping down the counter, great. But I don't feel like it did a really good deep clean. So I don't think I'll mix it up for that anymore. I don't think I'll be repurchasing the Branch Basics. I think I'll, you know, try something else. I'm looking into Blue Land because they have a dishwasher pod that's like non-plastic, supposed to be really good, and I've read the reviews say they're great. So I want to go through these cleaning supplies before I buy more. I do really love the glass jars. They're beautiful. However, I'm gonna just refill them with my Myers stuff that I use because I think the Myers cleans better. The laundry detergent, I'm like, I don't know. It's okay. It's okay. I'm a long time like Tide no dyes kind of a girl, and I use like bleach and you know what I mean? Like I have a lot to work on when it comes to the laundry department because I'm big on stains. And so I feel like it cleans, but with my whites, I still have to put bleach in there. Otherwise they're not white and they're not like clean. I don't know if I need to add more. So I'm still kind of playing around with the laundry detergent. I will probably try the Blue Land one if they have one, and I'm just gonna do more research because I'm not really a big fan of the laundry soap either. I don't feel like it cleans my laundry very well. And especially like with my husband's work clothes, like I double up on that because you gotta clean. They need to be clean. It does okay on the laundry. It's not my favorite. I might do, I don't know. We'll see what else I can find. I'm gonna test some other brands. So if you guys know any other clean brands for like laundry detergent, dishwasher pods, or dishwasher soap that you guys really like that really work and really clean, let me know in the comments down below. I need your help. Let me know in the comments down below. I need that. I will list everything that I got just in case you guys want to check it out. I am really, really trying to move away from plastics. I am really trying to get away from like the hormone blockers because a lot of chemicals and products are hormone mimickers. and I don't want those. I'm trying to heal my hormones and fix my thyroid, and I can't keep bringing all that stuff in. So I'm still looking for a clean brand. I just haven't quite found the one that I really want yet. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you guys are using or have used the Branch Basics in the past and you know more about the laundry stuff or the dishwasher stuff, like if I'm doing something wrong, let me know. I'm open to hearing what you guys got. I mean, I feel like dishwasher and laundry is pretty basic, but if you guys have thoughts, I want to know. That's it for today's video. I so appreciate you for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video, babe. You're the best. Love ya. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really supports my channel, and come back for more. I talk all things healthy girl lifestyle, heal the mind, heal the body, feel better, okay? From the inside out. All right. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.